Alexa, play it again. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright, Master Designers. Tonight, well, you've already seen this character already on Dragon Ball AF. But basically, it showed its first appearance on Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Tonight we're going to draw Super Saiyan 4 Gohan. Yes, you've already seen him at Super Saiyan and Super Saiyan 2. However, there have been a few forms that Gohan hasn't actually reached, like Super Saiyan 3 up until now. He achieved Super Saiyan 3 at Super Dragon Ball Heroes as well. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes. Sorry guys, I don't know what's wrong with her. There. That ought to fix her up. There we go. Now we draw the rest of him. There's his belt. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission.
Now we draw his
Mark
knuckles.
Groot on Amazon Music.
No, that's more like it. Sorry I had to use paper for this. I kinda had to pick up my mom's car.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the stars of the stage. Moving our union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam, slam. You start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Lastly, we draw the tail. That's the Super Saiyan 4's main feature.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the
Oh yeah, one more thing. He also managed to obtain Super Saiyan 5.
All are trapped, their freedom's gone in the war. Lost from the
And finished. There we go. That's how you draw a Super Saiyan 4 Gohan.
break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam.
Now that's the power of a great ape.
Jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam,
Well,
bam,
he managed to...
Light bursts
He
from
first
the
transformed into a
force,
giant
we
ape,
start
then he
again.
transformed into this form.
Then we clash, winning in the rush.
Don't worry, folks. There's going to be more like this on the way. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always here, and I'm not going to stop until they're all completed. Anyways, good night. Stegosaurus, see you later.